started to become cyborgs and a superhuman. We could think faster and run farther than humans ever had. But none of the drugs of the past compared to Max Fuller's concoctions. And by the time Max made that keynote speech, Mexico had already been courted by Adria, as well as the governments of China and India. Only at this point, none of his clients, none of his investors had any idea how far along in the process Next Cold was, except his own team and, well, me.
Say, mate.
You must be Jack, and it's Mister.
And then they go, well, there's only 2 people living here.
Stop. Sorry. Yeah, carry on. And like I was saying, Jenny, like, it's rubbish, like someone else has done a much better job than me, because she was like, you didn't have the evidence ready to investigate, you've done the best possible job like someone could have done. But it is annoying.
Outside, they put in the garage, cold soaked it, topped in as Porsche car, the winter tires on it, the Pirelli snow tires Porsche car.
It makes more, I mean, I think they're a little less aerodynamic, so I think it hurts the range a little bit, because it's the air quality.
Well, we knew that all the way around was not the end of the world, but I wanted to go today, before I came home, like,
And the thing that crops up the most with people was how they take a bath.
Well, to be fair, it goes way out, but only 3 minutes of that is going for the other sort of, 7 and a bit is sort of laying next to each other, isn't it? Right. Sometimes in a different room. Yeah.
Is that why it's called sleep?
Wendy, and again, and Eddie in a bird racism, and we met someone surgeon. Is it retard?
Right, come on now.
Supposed to something else.
And it's always struck me ever since I was first introduced to the Treasure Monster. I never understood what sat there on the grass.
I'd love to sit on the grass. Check the shit out. I know, yeah, well, you know.
My dad and Susanna playing cricket, right? I sort of fall out with about
Your dad and Susanna playing cricket. Walking out with it in the night morning.
Did you just buy that in the 4 for £20 from HLB? Once again, The Talons of Wang Qian, a Doctor Who classic. And there's carbon underwrapped pressure vessel, something at around 10,000 psi, and a bunch of thrusters, says Mr. Musk. So, again, talking about the Roadster, which is massively delayed now behind when it should have been on the road. But that is
was working there. It just immediately just another amazing John Bill session. Massively pissed ghost. Is a drunk ghost. That's why someone sent me a message the other day and said, how can you stop doing John Peel band names on the podcast? Well, we haven't really. It's like I think you might mistakenly believe that we sort of plan this stuff. We don't, and so I just forget.
I'm sorry. It's you were healing. I'm sorry that we were healing.
No. This lane, it's this lane. Idiot. And then go for the red light. Well done.
Tried to get out of recording today after watching the.
You as well.
and I would get as far as the on-camera test.
Whoa!
And then they would give it to Allison Hannigan got like 3 parts that I was up for. I could not.
Part is to be seen in that way. Do you think that there's anything that was taken from you?
I'm not sure because
on XFM 104.9. Nearly there, but you know, we're working our way to the grand finale. The bit where Carl spouts absolute nonsense from a dodgy source on the internet about a monkey who did something impossible. Let's cue up the jingle.
Oh, well done. Well done. Well done.
Oh, Chipper! Monkey news.
Kicked in with some racism. Well, guess what? It seems appropriate at this juncture just to mention something that's in the paper today. Dominic Mohan, I know you're a big fan, as am I. He is just writing about the